Hello guys, this is our laundry room where we have the washer and dryer, and this setup you will find in most of the places, and there is no problem with this setup except that the washer and dryer, they are not aligned, right? I can always move the washer far from the wall and make them straight, aligned to each other. But the problem is that since this room is very small, my plan is to utilize the space which has been wasted over here. Like if you see, uh, there is the space between the dryer edge and the wall is around 8.5 inches, whereas here it is around 7 inches. And the reason why this place is more or 8.5 inches, because of the duct. If you could see, this duct is taking most of the space, and I cannot push this dryer towards the wall to gain more space in the front. So I saw this particular duct. They call it as a space saving dryer duct, which is basically very thin, and you could attach it to the dryer on the back side and then attach the flexible duct pipe to this one. This can be, even though in the picture it shows like this, but it can be installed in different ways. If you see over here, it could go horizontally, it could go vertically, or it could go directly to the wall. And one of the best part is that this one is total 48 inches. It is a telescopic one, which can expand from 28 inches to 45 inches once it is extended. And this is a two-piece aluminium construction dryer duct. My plan is to remove the existing dryer duct and use this telescopic one and gain some space, as you see over here, between the wall and dryer, so that I can push this entire dryer on the towards the wall and gain some space on the front side. So that's what the plan is. So let me, before opening the box, let me open this let me pull this dryer in front and show you how the setup is, and then I will dismantle the existing dryer, and then we'll see that how we can fit this particular telescopic space saving dryer duct in our area. And this is how the current setup is. Basically the gas pipeline coming to the dryer, and then this exhaust dryer vent 4 inches is going outside the house through that duct vent. Over here, this particular duct is attached to the dryer body via 90-degree elbow over here. So my plan is to remove this duct, turn this dryer duct elbow on that side, and then connect use the telescopic one to see that how can I utilize this space. And this is how it looks right now. So I removed the flexible duct from the dryer, and now I'm planning to use the telescopic duct over here and attach it to the exhaust. So this is, let me show you how this telescopic duct is. So this is the hole which will go on the dryer vent outlet, and then there is a outlet. This you have to connect it to the outside of the house, right, or the main outlet. So my plan is to connect this duct to the dryer like this at this location, and then reuse the elbow over here and connect it to the outlet which is shown over there. So basically it is going to look something like this. The telescopic duct will be horizontal, then this elbow will go like this and it will connect. So no need of any flexible duct, and hopefully I will I will get more space in the front of the dryer. Now one thing which I observed, that even if I keep this, or if I attach this telescopic duct to the dryer like this, this particular telescopic duct is a little bit longer. So my plan is to cut this telescopic duct and make it compact as the size of the as the required size. This comes in different sizes. I could have bought the other one which is smaller than the 28 inches, because as I mentioned earlier, this one is 28 inches as of now, but this can be extended to 45 inches. In my case, definitely I am going to need it less than 28 inches. So rather than getting the new one, I'm planning to cut this piece over here, and then this piece in, so somewhere over here. So this will be compact. So right now it is telescopic, but it is of no use for me in this case. And the setup varies from individuals to individual house, so you have to see that what fits as per your requirement. And here how it looks. Here how it looks. The way ducts is going to be, telescopic duct is going to be mounted on the dryer, and as you see, the dry run shows that only this much space has been now reserved for the duct, whereas earlier it was little bigger because of the 4 inches flexible duct. Now this part, the inlet to this particular duct or telescopic duct is going to get connected to the dryer over here. So I'll push the dryer all the way to the back and attach these two holes, and then just tighten these screws. Same with the tightening the screws over here and tightening the screws over there, and then that's it, we are done. So pretty straightforward project, and it is going to give you a lot more space compared to the flexible duct which I've installed earlier. And this is how it looks, the space saving telescopic duct, and we have very small space on the back side, which allows you to get the more space on the front side.